Hello and welcome to Mrinal's Math tutorial. Today we are going to look at the paper 9709 11 May June 2020. Let's begin. So the first question over here is the sum of first 9 terms of an arithmetic progression is 117 and the sum of the next 4 terms is 91. So what information has been given to me over here is the sum of the first 9 terms. So when Sn equal to 9, S9 is 117 and the sum of the next 4 terms is 91. So if we add the next 4 terms, so 9 plus 4, that is 13, S of 13 is going to be 117 plus 91. This is because the sum of the next 4 terms is 91. So till the 9th term we are having 117 and you add 4 more terms. So you're going to reach to 13 terms. So S13 is going to be 117 and the next 4 terms, which is 91. 117 plus 91, which gives me 208. So I have here 2 key information, that is S9 is 117 and S13 is 208. So I'll be using the formula for sum Sn is equal to n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 times d. This is given in your formula sheet, so you don't have to memorize it. So when n equal to 9, 117 is equal to 9 divided by 2 bracket 2a plus 9 minus 1 times d. Notice that you're having 2 unknowns, a and d. So when you simplify, you're going to get an equation in a and d. Let us go ahead and simplify. So I'm just going to cross multiply this 2 to the other side. So 117 times 2, that gives me 234 equal to 9 bracket 2a plus 8d. Expand the bracket, that gives me 234 equal to 18a plus 72d. Leave it here, or I want to check if I can simplify it. So I'm just going to check if all these terms are divisible by 18. They are. 234 divided by 18 gives me 13. So I'm dividing all the terms by 18. This is just to simplify, it's not necessary. A plus 72 divided by 18 gives me 4d. Let's label this as equation 1. You can ignore these two. We don't need it now. And let us set up the next equation using n as 13 and sum as 208. So you get 208, so this is our first equation. 208 equal to n is 13 divided by 2. I'm just substituting the values in this equation. 2a plus 13 minus 1 times d. Let us simplify that. 208 equal to 13 over 2 times 2a plus 12d. Multiply this 2 to the other side, so that is going to give me 416. 208 times 2 is 416 equal to 26a plus 13 times 12, which is 156d. I'm going to check for divisibility by I guess 13, because 26 is coming in times table of 13. So 416 divided by 13 gives me 32. Again, this step is optional. 13 times 2 is 26. 156 divided by 13 gives me 12. So that's your simplified expression. It's a good idea to simplify so that you can actually solve these two equations simultaneously, right? Otherwise, you'll be dealing with very big numbers. Now, we need to work out these values of A and D. So, we are having 13 is equal to A plus 4D. If I multiply this equation by 2, I'm going to get 26 equal to 2A plus 8D. Okay, let us call it as equation 3. And we have 32 is equal to 2A plus 12D. That's your equation 2. If you minus them, this is going to get cancelled. 26 minus 32, that gives you negative 6 equal to 8 minus 12, which is negative 4D. Divide by negative 4 gives me negative 6 divided by negative 4 gives me positive 1.5. And now I'm going to substitute this value of D in one of the equations, either this one or the previous one, this one. Doesn't matter which one you choose. Just for convenience, I'm going to choose 13 equal to A plus 4D. Substituting D as 1.5 gives me 4 times 1.5, and that is A would be equal to 13 minus 4 times 1.5, which is 6. 13 minus 6, which gives me A as 7. So you have got A equal to 7 and the value of D is 1.5. The tricky part in this question is to understand the meaning of sum of first 9 terms and the sum of next 4 terms. That means it is sum of 13 terms. That was the tricky part. Alright, that's about it. Question 1. You have the value of A and D. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe so that you get the update about my next video. Thank you for watching.